YouTube is the most engaged video platform and the second largest search engine in the world. Friends, 2022 is the era of video marketing and you need to explore the video platforms like YouTube and Instagram in order to stand out in the crowd. Friends, my name is Ashutosh Jana, a digital transformation coach, and I am organizing a workshop in which you will learn from the scratch how to create a YouTube channel, how to optimize the profile by uploading the channel icon, the banner image and the watermark. You will also learn how to create a video, how to record a video, how to edit it like a pro, and how to upload it along with the algorithm. And the most important part of the workshop is how to generate traffic in an organic way and how to generate leads out of that organic traffic. We usually charge 999 rupees for this workshop, but it's free for a limited time. So friends, don't waste time. Find the date and time of the workshop below, jump in and register now. Meet you in the workshop. Till then, bye bye.